Okay, tomorrow is a big day for MGLS. Okay, we are organizing the Macrocrystalline and the Cryptocrystalline Quartz. You know, the mineralogy, the gemology, and the appraisal of this beautiful quartz gem. Okay, for tomorrow experience. Okay, for the workshop, course and workshop, we're gonna have a whole lot of things to do. Okay, for example, we'll start with some lectures. Okay, and after completing some simple instructions and also some basic notes on quartz, we will dive into the main thing. Actually, what I love to do is to tell the participant that, okay, we have all sets of samples to look at today from the whole cryptocrystalline quartz and also the macrocrystalline quartz, and we will have the opportunity to test every one of it. Okay, and to know it, what I mean to say is that we try to kita cuba untuk mempelajari kuaza dan memahami apa dia faktor-faktor penting dalam pengenalpastian permata kuaza ini, ya. Dan di samping sampel-sampel yang banyak yang boleh terus kita kaji, okay, all the chrysoprase, the amethyst, the rose quartz, the jasper, the all the other, you know, leopard dimensions, you know, and the blue what do you call a blue agate, and many other things. Okay, and then we go into that is open for you all participants to test. Okay, we supply everything. For example, we start from the very basic what do you call hand lenses. Okay, we can also use the gemological microscope. Okay, and then we can use the viewing microscope. Okay, and then we can determine the refractive index of the quartz. Okay, to somewhat confirm them. Okay, and we have also the spectroscope. We have also the refractometer. Okay, and the dichroscope to look at the precroism of gems, and the hardness test. Okay, and as whole complete the test here actually. Okay, hardness test, the more hardness scale, learn how to understand how to use the most hardness scale properly. Okay, lepas tu we have also the dem tester. Okay, and then we have the pendar cahaya, the luminescence test, and also Chelsea filter, good for testing some of the gems. Okay, we have a magnetic tensor here. Okay, and we do have a scratch plate also, because some of the quartz has very funny scratch properties actually. Okay, the strict properties. And we have the three. We can test any one of these to understand what are the what gems are it actually. For example, this mixed gem, it is good to know what they are all about. Okay, okay. And on this side we have the gem study. We have all the mineralogy material. For example, with the what do you call the crystallography, the habits, cleavage, and this is a very important section of the workshop, which is the menentukan specific gravity atau density material. And we have here also kilauan logam, all sort of lusters. Okay, and diaffinity, and we have diffraction. For example, in the labradorite, for example, and we have dispersion, and we have sample for asterism or pembintangan. Okay, dan juga chatoyancy. Okay, and all the others too, like for example a stone for what do you call opalescence stone. Okay, and we have the pearl and the falsies. Okay, and also the other material includes also all the other big fours. Okay, and this is an important section here. This is where you can do your reference. Okay, these are books that I've obtained, I have collected from the years of doing gemology. Okay, we have homemade manuals. Okay, if you like, and we have all sorts of books here on minerals and gemstone for you to do your referral work. Okay, and perhaps you like to have a look at the what do you call the World Sapphire collection, my own personal collection. Okay, we have all the sapphires from all over the world, highlighting the Malaysian sapphire. Okay, these are very high profile sapphire now, and we will have a look at it later if you like. Okay, and the other origin from as far away as Montana, Colombia, Cambodia, Myanmar, Vietnam, and you see that the variability of this sapphire. Okay, I think you'll enjoy the class because I want you to really develop an educated eye on gemstone, especially the quartz, the most massive, the most abundant mineral on the planet. Okay, so enjoy the course. Register early. We got all these 18 seats to fill in. So we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.